Asianstar CNC Machining Factory, starting from year 2005, located in Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China, is a professional CNC machining parts manufacturer with long-term development. Now we have more than 80 employees with facilities 135 machinery and production area 2,500 square meters. Asianstar offers high-quality CNC milling service for a variety of industries, including aerospace, automotive, medical, and defense. Our high-level CNC milling machines are equipped with advanced technology and tools that allow our works reach high accuracy. Our professional team engineers work closely with our clients to understand their specific requirements and provide custom solutions that meet their unique needs. We have the capability to handle complex geometries and shapes, and our CNC milling services can be customized to meet your specific project requirements. Besides plentiful production experiences, we also built up strict QC system to control our product quality. We have QC controlling system which includes QC procedure control file before production start. It controls the production procedure strictly following quality details. And we have monitoring QC checking during production process. After all, we have final QC inspection on each item before packing. With this developed QC system, we are able to control production precision and product appearance in perfect and submit clients superb products. Please tell us your requirements and demands, and send us your drawings or ideas. Our professional team will evaluate your projects and give you engineering proposal related to product designing, materials choices, processing solutions, costs and businesses supporting, etc. Please no hesitate to send us message or email. Thank you.